For generations, the question of when to introduce solid foods has been a topic of endless discussion, debate, and sometimes even anxiety for parents. Well-meaning relatives, friends with older children, and even strangers at the grocery store may offer their opinions. Adding to the confusion, healthcare professionals themselves seem to differ in their recommendations. Some advocate for starting as early as 4 months, while others suggest waiting until the 6-month mark. This leaves parents caught at a crossroads, unsure of the best course of action for their little ones. Why is there so much debate around something as seemingly simple as offering a baby their first bite of food? The answer lies in the profound impact this decision has on a child's overall health and development. It's not just about satisfying hunger, it's about providing the right nutrients at the right time to support a rapidly growing body and developing brain. Timing is everything. Introducing solids too early can pose risks to a baby's digestive system, potentially leading to digestive issues, food sensitivities, or even choking hazards. On the other hand, delaying the introduction of solids for too long can deprive a baby of essential nutrients crucial for healthy growth and development. It can also increase the risk of nutrient deficiencies and hinder the development of oral motor skills necessary for chewing and swallowing. The decision of when to start solids is a delicate balancing act. This guide aims to equip parents with the knowledge and confidence to navigate this crucial milestone. Embarking on the journey of parenthood is filled with wonder and joy. Each milestone, from the first smile to the first step, is a testament to incredible growth and development. Introducing solid foods marks a significant transition. It signals a move to a more diverse world of flavors. This transition requires understanding infant nutrition. Think of this guide as your roadmap. It will provide tools and information for confidence. Remember, every baby is unique. Consult with your pediatrician for a personalized plan. Introducing solids fosters a positive relationship with food. Journey back in time just a few generations and you'll find a world with a starkly different approach to infant feeding. In the 1950s, early introduction of solids was common, often as early as 3 months. Babies were spoon-fed iron-fortified rice cereal, sometimes mixed with cow's milk. This practice, endorsed by doctors, was considered the gold standard of infant care. However, it had its downsides. Babies' immature digestive systems often struggled, leading to digestive upset. As science advanced, so did recommendations. Modern advice now ensures better infant nutrition. The latter half of the 20th century witnessed a seismic shift in infant nutrition. Groundbreaking research revealed the importance of breastfeeding for optimal nutrition and immune protection. These discoveries led to new guidelines emphasizing exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months. As we entered the 21st century, the scientific understanding of infant nutrition continued to evolve. Researchers focused on the gut microbiome's role in infant health, discovering its influence on digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. The introduction of solid foods is crucial for gut microbiome development. Early solid food introduction can disrupt this balance, increasing health risks. Ongoing research examines long-term impacts of early feeding practices on health. Staying informed and consulting healthcare professionals is essential for making the best decisions for our little ones. Imagine a world teeming with microscopic machinery, a bustling metropolis of cells, enzymes, and chemical reactions working in perfect harmony. This is the fascinating world inside your baby's digestive system, transforming food into the building blocks of life. Though hidden from view, this intricate system is a testament to the complexity and elegance of the human body. At the heart of this microscopic metropolis lies the digestive tract, a winding pathway that stretches from the mouth to the anus. This remarkable pathway acts as a disassembly line, breaking down food into essential nutrients for growth and development. The digestive tract is the stage, but organs and enzymes steal the show. The pancreas produces enzymes that break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The liver produces bile, aiding in fat digestion. This process is crucial for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. Enzymes act as catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions. Lactase breaks down lactose, the sugar in milk. The introduction of solid foods marks a significant transition for a baby's digestive system. It's a time of adaptation as the gut adjusts to this new challenge. This transition is gradual, unfolding over several months. Around 4 to 6 months, the digestive system matures, producing necessary enzymes. This coincides with developmental milestones like head control and hand-eye coordination. Rushing to introduce solids can have unintended consequences. Introducing solids too early can lead to digestive discomfort and more serious health issues. A baby's gut may not produce enough enzymes to break down complex foods, causing gas, bloating, and pain. Early introduction of solids has been linked to an increased risk of food allergies. The immature gut lining allows larger food proteins to pass through, potentially triggering an immune response. This can lead to allergies to common allergens like cow's milk, eggs, soy, wheat, and peanuts. Introducing solids too early can interfere with breastfeeding or formula feeding. Solid foods are not as nutritionally dense as breast milk or formula. Offering solids too early can displace these vital sources of nourishment, leading to nutrient deficiencies. Breast milk provides antibodies and growth factors crucial for a baby's developing immune system. Delaying the introduction of solids beyond the recommended time frame can also have downsides. A baby's development can be hampered by a lack of dietary diversity and essential nutrients. One primary concern with delaying solids beyond 6 months is the risk of iron deficiency. Iron is crucial for red blood cell production, oxygen transport, and cognitive development. After 6 months, a baby's iron stores begin to deplete, increasing the risk of iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia can affect energy levels, motor skills, cognitive function, and immune health. Babies with iron deficiency may appear pale, lethargic, and irritable. They may also have a poor appetite and experience delays in reaching developmental milestones. Iron deficiency in infancy can have long-term consequences, potentially affecting cognitive development. It can also increase the risk of behavioral problems later in life. Striking a balance between introducing solids too early and delaying them for too long can feel like walking a tightrope. Follow evidence-based guidelines, observe your baby's developmental cues, and maintain open communication with your pediatrician. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months, followed by gradual introduction of solids. This approach provides the optimal balance of nutrition, immune protection, and developmental readiness. Every baby is unique. Some may show signs of readiness for solids as early as 4 months, while others may not be ready until closer to 6 months. Observing your baby's developmental cues can help determine readiness. Consult with your pediatrician once your baby shows signs of readiness. They can assess your baby's growth, development, and overall health to determine the best time to introduce solids. Your pediatrician can provide personalized guidance on how to introduce solids safely and successfully. They can also help create a feeding plan that meets your baby's individual needs. Introducing solids is a journey of discovery for both your baby and you as parents. There will be days filled with excitement and wonder, and days filled with frustration. Approach this new chapter with patience, flexibility, and a sense of humor. Trust your instincts, listen to your baby's cues, and seek guidance from your pediatrician. Ensure that your baby's transition to solid foods is positive and enjoyable. Set the stage for a lifetime of healthy eating habits and a positive relationship with food. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Your baby is ready to embark on a culinary adventure. Choosing the best first foods can feel overwhelming, but it's rooted in science and guided by your baby's needs. The ideal first foods are nutrient-dense, easily digestible, and unlikely to trigger allergies. Iron-rich foods, such as pureed meats, iron-fortified cereals, and lentils, are particularly important after 6 months. Iron is crucial for red blood cell production and cognitive development. Ensuring adequate iron intake helps prevent iron deficiency anemia. Other essential nutrients to prioritize include zinc, vitamin C, and omega-3 fatty acids. Zinc supports immune function, wound healing, and cell growth. Vitamin C aids in iron absorption and acts as an antioxidant. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for brain development, vision, and overall growth. Introducing your baby to a world of flavors and textures shapes their palate and fosters a love of healthy eating. Embrace the rainbow when selecting fruits and vegetables. Each color represents a unique combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Offer a variety of colors to expose your baby to diverse nutrients and flavors. Fruits like bananas, avocados, apples, and pears are excellent first choices. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, fiber, potassium, and vitamins. Vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, butternut squash, and peas offer a sweetness that appeals to babies. Green vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and green beans are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Gradually introduce green vegetables alongside sweeter options. Create a sensory experience that is both delightful and nutritious. Texture plays an important role in a baby's sensory development and acceptance of solid foods. Starting with smooth, easily digestible purees is crucial in the early stages. Gradually introduce thicker purees with some texture as a baby's oral motor skills develop. Around 8 to 9 months, introduce soft finger foods that encourage self-feeding. These bite-sized pieces allow a baby to practice their pincer grasp. This stage provides opportunities for sensory exploration. Observe your baby's cues and offer encouragement as they navigate new textures. If a baby gags or spits out a new texture, don't be discouraged. This is a normal part of the learning process. Every baby develops at their own pace. The world of infant feeding is awash in well-intentioned advice, often based on outdated information. Let's debunk some common myths surrounding the introduction of solid foods. One myth is that starting solids earlier will make a baby sleep through the night. This notion lacks scientific evidence and can lead to digestive discomfort. Another misconception is that babies should only eat pureed food for the first year. Babies can explore and enjoy a variety of textures much earlier. Introducing a variety of textures promotes healthy oral motor development. The myth that you should save leftover baby food for the next meal is a recipe for potential foodborne illness. Bacteria from the baby's mouth can multiply rapidly in the food. Always offer fresh portions of baby food and discard any of the leftovers immediately. The introduction of solid foods marks a pivotal moment in a baby's cognitive journey. One of the most critical nutrients for brain development is iron. Iron is essential for red blood cell production and transporting oxygen to the brain. After 6 months, introducing iron-rich foods becomes crucial for maintaining adequate iron levels. Another essential nutrient for cognitive function is zinc. Zinc supports the formation of new neurons and neural connections. Zinc deficiency can lead to cognitive impairment and learning difficulties. Long-chain polyunsaturated fatty acids, particularly DHA and ARA, are essential for brain development. DHA and ARA are structural components of brain cell membranes. They play crucial roles in cell signaling, communication, and overall brain function. Section 3. Windows of opportunity. Timing is everything. The developing brain is a dynamic entity, constantly adapting and rewiring itself in response to experiences and environmental cues. This plasticity is most pronounced during the first few years, a critical window for brain development. Nutrition during this time can have a profound impact on brain structure and function. Introducing solid foods provides essential nutrients for optimal cognitive function. Like a sculptor molding clay, nutrient-rich foods shape brain development. Iron is crucial for myelination, essential for cognitive function. Delays in myelination can impact learning and development. Iron-rich foods support optimal myelination and cognitive development. Zinc is vital for synaptic plasticity, essential for learning and memory. Zinc deficiency can lead to cognitive deficits. Zinc-rich foods support healthy cognitive development. Solid foods provide essential building blocks for a thriving brain. Proper nutrition during this critical period shapes a baby's cognitive journey. Section 1. A world of flavors. Cultural perspectives on starting solids. Food customs vary globally, shaping how babies start solids. In Japan, the shokuiku ceremony introduces rice porridge for health and prosperity. Indian babies taste mild spices early, fostering diverse palates. Mediterranean diets emphasize fresh, local ingredients, promoting healthy eating habits. Section 2. Your step-by-step guide to introducing solid foods. Introducing solid foods to your baby can feel overwhelming, but this guide will help you navigate this exciting milestone. Step 1. Assess readiness. Ensure your baby shows signs like good head control and interest in food. Step 2. Choose the right foods. Start with iron-fortified cereals, pureed fruits and vegetables. Step 3. Create a positive feeding environment. Make mealtimes enjoyable and stress-free. Step 4. Start slowly and follow your baby's lead. Offer small amounts and observe their cues. Section 3. Expert insights. Navigating the world of first foods with confidence. Introducing solid foods can be exciting and daunting. Seek guidance from trusted experts for reassurance and clarity. Trust your instincts and pay attention to your baby's cues. Every baby develops at their own pace. Embrace the mess and allow your baby to explore food with all their senses. Offer a variety of flavors and textures to expand your baby's palate. Be patient and persistent. Seek professional guidance if needed. Ensure your baby gets the nutrients they need for healthy growth and development. Section 1. A Foundation for Life. The journey of introducing solid foods is more than just a culinary adventure. It's a foundation for a lifetime of healthy eating habits and a positive relationship with food. As your baby explores new flavors, textures, and aromas, they're not just satisfying their hunger, they're developing their palate, their preferences, and their understanding of the world around them. Each bite, from the first hesitant taste of pureed banana to the confident munching of a soft, ripe peach, is a step towards a future filled with culinary curiosity and a love of wholesome, nourishing foods. The decisions you make today as parents have a profound impact on your child's relationship with food. By following evidence-based guidelines, trusting your instincts and responding to your baby's cues, you're not just nourishing their bodies, you're shaping their attitudes towards food, fostering a sense of enjoyment and appreciation that will stay with them throughout their lives. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace, so embrace the journey, celebrate the milestones, and savor the moments of shared joy and discovery that mealtimes bring. The introduction of solid foods is a testament to the incredible journey of growth and development that unfolds during a baby's first year of life. It's a time of exploration, discovery, and the formation of habits that will shape their future health and well-being. By approaching this milestone with patience, understanding, and a commitment to providing a variety of nutritious and delicious foods, you're giving your child the gift of a healthy start and a lifelong love of food. Section 2. Savor the journey. As you navigate the world of first foods, remember that it's not a race to the finish line, but a journey to be savored. There will be days filled with laughter and delight as your little one embraces new flavors and textures, and there will be days filled with frustration and food flung across the high chair. Embrace the mess, the challenges, and the triumphs, knowing that each experience, both positive and negative, contributes to your baby's development and shapes their relationship with food. The introduction of solid foods is more than just a dietary transition. It's a bonding experience, a time for connection, and a celebration of your baby's growing independence. It's an opportunity to create lasting memories, establish healthy eating habits, and foster a love of food that will nourish their bodies and their souls for years to come. So relax, enjoy the journey, and trust that you're giving your little one the best possible start in the delicious and diverse world of food. Remember, every bite is a step towards a healthier, happier future.